Chapter 2 Sai Satyartha Object of writing the work incapacity and the boldness in the undertaking, hot discussion conferring on the significance and prophetic of him for the necessity of a guru. Object of the writing the work in the first chapter describes the Sai Baba miracles of checking and destroying the epidemic of cholera by grinding the wheat thrown on the floor in the outskirts of the village. I heard other miracles of Sai Baba. To my great delight, his temptation bones both his practical. I also thought the description of this grand miracle society would be interesting in the story. These those who would promote the sense so I can become writer's class like teaching of Sai Baba, the life of saint neither logic or dialectic. It shows the true and the great path and capacity and the boldness in the undertaking the work. Though he was not fit to undertake the work, he said, as I don't know life of my intimate friend, nor do know one man, then how can I write about the life of a saint describe the nation incarnations, which even Vedas were unable to do. One must the saint himself before he has other saints. Can describe the glory. To write about the life of a saint is most difficult. On my well measure, the depth of the water of the seven seas and closest sky with the cloak tapping, I know this is the work of venturous undertaking which might expose the ridicule, then I for must invoke Sai Baba grace. The premier poet saint of Maharashtra, Sir Janesh Maharaj stated that Lord loves those who are right about the lives of saints, and saints have their own peculiar method of having this of which was brought Islam. Successful the saints in place about the devotees become only an indirect cause and instrument achieved. And for instance, in Shakar Sant 1100, the poet Mangli aspired to write about lives of saints. The saints in did not work done on hero the four works. Bhakta Vijaya, Santa Vijaya, Bhakta Lingmant, and Santa Lingmant. Then later in Shaka 1000, Banda Das Gano Service or Akshata Hero, two books, Bhakta Lingmat, Santa Lingmat, in which life of the modern psychologist. In the chapter 13 to 33, Bhakta Lingmat, in the chapter 47, Santa Lingmat, the sweet life of teaching of Sagovar, well distributed. These are separately published in the Salila magazine number 11 and 12 volumes on the readers are listed in chapters. Sababa wonderful layers of close describing the small spiritual book named Sri Sai Bhalabai Mrs. Savitri Raghunath Tendulkar of Bandra, various big poems of the Sai Baba composed by Das Gana Maharaj and also some of the devotees. Ramdas Bhani Mehta, the evolution of Gujarati, Sanath Prabhu, and the magazine published by Lakshmana Saraswati has published by Sai Vilas as well. The question then arises from so many books regarding Sai Baba extent why should this Sai Sharakshan and what is necessary? The answer is quite simple. The life of Sai is wide and deep and infinite ocean of deep heaven precious gems distributed into aspirant of the stories of Prophet sentences about quantum of ambitious knowledge wisdom, the both worldly, spiritual domains that they give peace, happiness to the people who are able effortless sorrows. The Muslims will understand the teachings of Sai Baba, the interesting instruction Vedic lore, or listen to meditate upon the devotees will get for long focus. Union with Brahma Mass and the Eightfold Yoga, listen meditation, etc. I thought that I should follow the stories which should keep me my better person on the collection would be most delightful. Those who are not blessed with Sai Baba Darshan. Then I set about collecting Sai Baba teachings expression. The outcome of his boundless nature, self-realization, and so Sai was so inspiring in this matter. In fact, I surrendered my ego to speak and felt my word clear. Since I personally do not ask Sai Baba to give permission for the sport, I request Mother Desmond Sharma, the brother most influential to speak for me. He played my class inside to Sai Baba, and as I was to write about the life. Don't say you are poor, begging for the responsibility of your wife, but if you agree, help him, he will try rather your days will accomplish the work. Without your concern and blessing, nothing can be done successfully. Once I will have this way has more and blessed by giving this answer to this characters. Any place this being destroying the hands on the head and cell. If neither Christmas or his experience of keeping memos, notes and memos, I will help him. He is the only outdoor instrument I myself write my students are his process of activity. He should not be trouble to superlatons under my feet. He should act like this new I swear him at most. Out of my life stories, I shall show him the worst possible way. When I see you is completely animated, there is no trace left. I am just until I shall write my life story. After I am study for super faith in devotees' thoughts, will easily get self-realization place that there is nothing more from studies and all this certain to refute other opposition, no discussion of pros and cons of subject. The word discussion remained the promise to explain certain getting of right left hand and now begin the like such I was on closely comes with Kagasari Figmana Sadhara the Lord's to make go study they have a Baba Darshan promise to do so. What's up here in the interval turned up from the pointer from going the son of my friend. and filling my friend tested positive with the physical and personality was not a bit. At last, he got his what is necessary for Guru. If he cannot save my friend's son, I think Guru can for us, or should go to study at all. Thinking this way, I posed my mind, Nana Shah Santapur was the front officer going to shoot the person he came from Tana. Narendra Dadan presently waiting for train bound for Basing. Meanwhile, a Bandara local trainer and Nana boarded in Bandara then sent for me. He took me to putting me through with it. Nana ran for my story for convincing influence or is to start study the same. I packed my luggage, started actually I can't go over, catch the train and there. I booked myself for the amount of the train. This is the train about to start. Mohammedan came hastily compartment saying my plan is my very bone, which I told him and my reasons I go to study board and not to study because Malama did not stop at the paragraph. The test little miraculously did not happen. And reached the next time, minute also me. But what was to be? As a fortune female, I reached the next report. I returned and met the Mr. Bowser, the ship who was awaiting for my arrival. This is one attendant, but there is only one place, Satigora for lodging, clearing duty. After all writing from the Congo, I was an exit. I was rushing one path and moved for a great deal of proper. Posted in the message said, I was a common photo of hospital accommodation. After you bought the scene of the ship here in the silent posted for proper. There were no bones. I felt more what messages to the messages of satisfied for God, trust and hunger. When the cyber of the look and the homely days, I felt myself in the stuff to the action. And I consider myself my related because I cannot repay the debt. I only remember them posted before them the peculiar of Sai Baba Darshan Sai Foundation. Darshan of also change the force of the substance. Abadan and gradually in order to know the self-and from the world of the sub-products. If it is merits, it is by merits of action, past courses of action. And we see Sai Baba on the world of concessions in form of Sai Baba. Our discussion on the first day of my arrival Shivdi. There was a discussion between me and the Balasai Bhutta regarding the necessity of growth. I contend why should lose our freedom in some other so when you have to duty, why is promised that one must have to say himself. What can grow to do nothing is but sleep instantly. Thus I pleaded free by Mr. Bhutta to put the say destiny and said what was bound to happen must happen. Even great man of man proposes on big all the sources that day. Bros, areas, cloudness, pride and devotion and help with the discussion all pros and cons and conversation was another and we ultimately stop the discussion with exercise and also the lesser on spaces more. Relation now strongly consistent because there is no discussion. Then I want to message with others. Baba asked Baba this is the following. What was going on Satya Baba? What was the discussion about starting up with Baba for the order of culture conference? Hearing this I cut off customers conversations from Satya Baba. I was told this can go on how could Baba respond to say some question in the ruler of all. Significant for protective. I began to think why Saibaba should call me the mayor of camp on the Buddhist platform of Hemadripant. The Hemadrip was known as the minister of the kings Mahadev and Ramadev Saudagiri and the Yadav dynasty. He was very learned of good nature and author of the book works under such as Suchitra and Champion, during his spiritual edition, the Raja Vastra he entered and several new methods of accounts or subject of Modi script, but later posted in balance and dull mediocre until I should not understand why. Never informed me upon that thinking seriously about it for to the fact that to destroy my ego so that I was resigned, they can humbly with also contemplating my favorite discussion. That's why we think Baba character. The significant as we found the look after the management of soil system very intelligent, kept all accounts nicely, the author of the book, this also the skills is important, such as the name of the research of financial relations. About the necessity of the hamper has left no term about Baba said regarding the subject of the publication notes. The organization the next day of the hamper the meetings of Baba went to Baba and asked whether seriously yes, someone else Baba or why should do the Baba high of the man said whichever Baba said the man was leading here. There is no way from saying the way is difficult. There are tigers and wolves in the jungle on the way. Kakashan that Baba what to fatigue Baba answered. Then there is no big that will have to strike to destination avoiding wolves and tiger disease along the way. If there is no guide, there is no danger of being lost in the jungle so to distance. Mr. Dhoni was present on the occasion, considered the Baba answered the question so that the Guru was necessity. Came upon the contemplation, no discussion of the problem, whether the man is separately alone. spiritual metaphor and contact with the Paramita possible and received of Guru. This is not a chapter on the origin of describing the great avatars like Rama and Krishna who were some of themselves with this. Postata